To create and use Cash App in the UK, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide your phone number or email address, and then create a password for your account. Next, verify your account by entering the code sent to your phone or email. After verification, you will be asked to provide some personal details, including your name and address. You will also need to link a debit card or bank account to your Cash App account, which will be used to fund your transactions. To link a debit card or bank account, go to the Banking tab and select Link Bank or Link Debit Card. Follow the prompts to enter your card or account details, and then confirm the link. You can also add money to your Cash App account by going to the Banking tab and selecting Add Cash. To send money, go to the Home tab and enter the amount you want to send. Then, enter the recipient's phone number, email, or $cash tag, and add a note to the payment if needed. Review the transaction details and then tap Pay to complete the transfer. To receive money, give the sender your phone number, email, or $cash tag, and they can send you money directly to your Cash App account. You can also request money from friends or family by going to the Home tab and selecting Request. Cash App also offers additional features, such as investing in stocks and buying and selling Bitcoin. To access these features, go to the Investing tab and follow the prompts to get started. Always be sure to review the terms and conditions before using any of these features. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. If you have any issues with your account, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. By following these steps and using Cash App responsibly, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers for managing your finances.